What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play the newest song from Billie Eilish called Therefore I Am on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section on screen right now. You can skip to either the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming for this song if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. I totally get it, I totally understand, but if you did, I'd love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is that the full play along for this song is online already, so if you want to go check it out, link is in the description below and at the top of the comments. And the full play along consists of me strumming and singing the entire song with the chords and lyrics on screen, so it's a super easy play along for you. Also, in the description below is the entire chord sheet for this song, which consists of the full lyrics and the chord right above the word, so you know exactly when to change chords. You can copy and paste it, keep it for yourself. That is my gift to you. But with all that said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. So this song is super easy in that it only has two chords, and those chords are D minor and A. So if you're like, Ricky, I know those chords, let's move on to the chord progression or the strumming. Again, I got you. Timestamp will be on screen. Just go to whatever timestamp it says for whatever section in the video that you want to skip to. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, an hour ago, literally, I just picked it up right now. Please help me. Don't worry. This is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about the chord progression, and then we'll talk about the strumming. So if you want to learn the chords and know where to put your fingers on the uke, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's learn these chords. As always, I will have a visual representation on screen of where you need to put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it helps a lot when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it. So the first chord that we need is the A chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the D minor chord, and I'm going to show you two different ways you can play it. The first way is how I play it, because I do have a little bit of thicky fingers compared to some other ukulele players. And the second way is going to be the more traditional way, so you have a choice. So let's talk about the first way, which is the way I play it. And you're going to take your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And then I take my middle finger and I go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret. And it should sound like this. The second way that we can play this is the more traditional way, so let's do it. Let's take your pointer finger and place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And it should sound like this. So there you go, you have all the chords that you need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clear, then go ahead and press play. And now let's talk about how we're going to do the chord progression for this song, and then after that, we'll talk about strumming. So if you want to learn the chord progression, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's learn the chord progression, and lucky for us, the song only has 2 chords for the entire song, which is awesome. Thank you so much, Billie, for this one. I love you. But, so the chord progression is going to be super easy throughout the entire song, so once you know this, you basically have the entire structure, which is going to be D minor, then A. So again, the chord progression is just going to go D minor, then A. And then you go back to D minor, A, and it's just going to go like that throughout the entire song. Alright, so we learned the chords and the chord progression. Now let's talk about how we're going to play this song. With the strumming, I'm going to teach you 3 different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I just started playing, I don't want to add a strumming into it, I just want to get through the song. I love Billie Eilish, and I'm really hype on the song right now. So the first way you can do it is just going to be with a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. And again, I do want to remind you that the entire chord sheet is in the description below. You can copy and paste it and keep for yourself. And that has the actual chord right above the word, so you know exactly when to change chords. And also the full play along, again, all that's linked below, has the chords and lyrics on screen while I sing and play. So it's going to help you a lot with just playing along. So again, it's just going to be a down strum. The second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and I'm going to have the D minor chord down, and that strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time. Again, I have the D minor chord down, so the strumming pattern is going to start in 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, down, up. So you're going to do that strumming pattern twice for every chord, so it's going to go D minor to A. So in 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, A, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then you go back to D minor, and again, the chord progression is just D minor, A. So again, you're going to do that strumming pattern down, 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 up, twice for every chord, and then you move on to the next chord, which is the A, and go back to D minor. So that is the second way that you can play this song. So the third way that we can play this song is going to be with a chuck. If you're like, Ricky, I want to add a little bit more spice into my strumming, this is definitely going to add very much spice into your strumming. So we're going to start off with the D minor chord, and it's going to have the same structure as the previous strumming pattern that we just spoke about. We're just going to add a chuck into it. So it's going to be down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So again, I will put the first strumming pattern and the new strumming pattern with the chuck, so you can see the structure is the same. We're just adding a chuck into some of the down strums. So again, it's just going to be down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And again, you're going to do that strumming pattern twice for every chord. So let's do a little example of that. In 3, 2, 1. So again, you're going to do that strumming pattern twice for every chord, the strumming without the chuck and with the chuck twice for every chord, and then you just keep on going, and then now you have the song. Alright, so we learned the chords, the chord progression, and the 3 different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play the new Billie Eilish song called Therefore I Am on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and actually thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you. I can't thank you enough for all the support that we've gotten over the past few months. We're about to hit 50,000 subscribers, which is an absolutely insane number. So thank you again for all the support. I truly, truly love you. Also, if you're anything like me, when you're watching a ukulele video, you're like, dude, what uke are you playing? It sounds amazing. It looks amazing. I need to know. Give me the details. I got you. This is a concert-sized Leolani ukulele. As you can see, it has the Leolani logo on the headstock. It's an absolutely amazing uke. If you do want to go shop the Leolani ukuleles, I will leave a link in the description below, or you can just go to leolaniukulele.com. They also do carry the Kumu series. It's a Hawaiian company that makes amazing ukes. Also, because they love you and they want you to save money, and who doesn't want to save money these days, you can use code Ricky10 at checkout and you can save $10 off your entire purchase. I highly recommend Leolani or Kumu ukuleles. 1, because they're Hawaiian. 2, they sound amazing. And 3, they look amazing. And I kissed it. They also kiss amazing. Is that weird? Probably. So go shop. And finally, we do have merch. If you do want to support this channel, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'm currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie. This originally was the white version, but I decided to do a tie-dye on this white hoodie, and it came out pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. We also do have the official Uke Fam merch as well. You can shop both collections in the description below. I love both of them. If you do get a piece of merch and you do support this channel, make sure please to tag me on Instagram. You can get more behind the scenes stuff of my day-to-day life. Also, I love always reposting and resharing your pictures, your Instagram stories, anything, videos of you playing uke, wearing the merch, whatever you want. If you tag me, I always will reshare it to the entire 56,000 Instagram uke fam members. So if you do want to support and you do want to join Instagram as well, do that. Send me a DM letting me know what video you came from, and also if you have any questions about ukes, song recommendations, just anything in general, you can send me a DM or you can leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really can't thank you enough for all the support, and thank you so much to Billie for making an amazing song that's one, super easy with only 2 chords, thank you, and also just a really catchy song. Let me know also what you think of her new song. Do you hate it? Do you love it? Do you love Billie Eilish? I absolutely love it. I think it's a really fun song, but let me know, sound down in the comments below. Let me know what you think of her new song. I love it. I don't know. If you don't love it, then fight me. No, I'm just kidding. But I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.